Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge, service providers Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial video, we will learn what is a sequence type, string data type, accessing individual characters in a string, forward indexing, backward indexing or negative indexes, conceptual view of a Python string, slicing, indexing error and type error, length of a string, no character data type. Sequence types. Sequence data types represent an ordered sequence of values. An ordered sequence means a set of values where each value is identified by an integer index. The Python sequence data types include strings, lists, and tuples. String data type. A string in Python is a sequence of 0 or more characters enclosed within single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. So Python knows where the string begins and ends. For example, hello, Julia, and welcome to Python world are strings in Python. String data types are represented by the str class in Python. Example: open the Python IDE or any text editor, then type this Python code and run it. In this example, a string hello is assigned to the variable a using single quotes. In the next statement, a string Julia is assigned to the variable b using double quotes. Similarly, in the following statement, the string value welcome to Python world is assigned to the variable c using triple quotes. The following print statement, print a, will display the string hello. The next print statement, print b, will display the string Julia. The statement print c will display the string welcome to Python world. We can get the data type of an object by using the built-in function type in Python. The last three print statements will display the data type of the variables a, b, and c respectively. Here the data types are str. The string data types are represented by the str class in Python. This example shows that a string in Python is a sequence of characters enclosed within single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. Empty string. We can even have a string with no characters in it called a blank string or an empty string. Example: in this example, an empty string is assigned to the variable a. The first print statement, print a, will display a blank line. The next print statement, print type a, will display the data type of the variable a, which is str. String data type is represented by the str class in Python. The single quote and double quote forms are the most common methods to display the string. They are used to display a single line string. Triple quote forms are used to write multi-line strings or to print the string in the desired way. Example: in this example, a multi-line string welcome to Python world is assigned to the variable s by using triple quotes. In Python, a multi-line string starts and ends with 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes. The following print statement, print s, will display the string welcome to Python world. They display on the screen exactly the way we type them. Python allows us to use single or double quotes inside a triple quoted string. Accessing individual characters in a string. In Python, a string is a sequence of characters and stored in contiguous memory location. Each character can be individually accessed using its index. An index is an integer. An index can only be an integer value, not a float. An index of a string starts from 0. Therefore, in the string of n characters, the last character has an index of n-1. For instance, a string of 5 characters has 4 as its last index. An index is also known as a subscript. we can access a specific character in the string by specifying its index within square brackets. Python provides us two index value for each location, forward indexing and backward indexing. Forward indexing. The index of the first character of the string is 0. The index of the second character of the string is 1. The index of the second last character of the string is length minus 2. The index of the last character of the string is length minus 1. Conceptual view of a Python string. The characters of a string are stored sequentially in a separate location. Reading of string elements starts from 0. Here indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Since the index starts from 0, the index of the last character is length minus 1. The string hello contains 5 characters. So, the length minus 1, that is 5 minus 1 is 4. The last index is 4. We can access a specific character in the string by specifying its index within square brackets with the string name. S of 0 refers to first character, that is S. S of 1 refers to second character, that is E. S of 2 refers to third character, that is L. S of 3 refers to fourth character, that is L. S of 4 refers to fifth character, that is O. Example. In this example, string hello is assigned to the variable S. The first print statement, print S of 0, will display the first character in the string, that is H. Similarly, the second print statement, print S of 1, will display the second character in the string, that is E. And the last print statement, print S of 4, will display the fifth character in the string, that is O. So, output will be H, E and O. Hence, we can access a specific character in the string by specifying its index within square brackets with the string name. Backward indexing or negative indexes. Indexes can also have negative values. The index of the last character of the string is minus 1. The index of the second last character of the string is minus 2. The index of the second character of the string is minus length minus 1. The index of the first character of the string is minus length. Conceptual view of backward indexing. The integer value minus 1 refers to the last index in a string. The value minus 2 refers to second to last index in a string and so on. Therefore, in the string of n characters, the first character has an index of minus n. Since minus 0 is the same as 0, negative indices starts from minus 1. S of minus 1 refers to fifth character, that is O. S of minus 2 refers to fourth character, that is L. S of minus 3 refers to third character, that is L. S of minus 4 refers to second character, that is E. S of minus 5 refers to first character, that is H. Example. In this example, string hello is assigned to the variable S. Here we have used negative indexes to access individual characters in the string. In this case, we start counting from the right, that is from the last position to the first position of the string. Minus 1 refers to the last index. Here minus 1 refers to the character O. Minus 2 refers to the second last character L. And minus 5 refers to the first character of the string H. So the output will be O, L and H. Slicing. While indexing can be used to get individual characters from a string, slicing can be used to get a substring, range of characters. Slicing can be done by specifying the start index and the end index separated by a colon. Syntax. Variable name, start index, colon, end index. Python will return a substring from the start index position included to the end index position not included. Example. In this example, a string hello is assigned to the variable s. The first print statement, print s sub 0 colon 4, will display the characters from position 0 to 4. Here 4 is not included, so it will display all the characters from position 0 to 3. Hence the output will be HELL. Similarly, the second print statement, print s sub 0 colon 5, will display the characters from position 0 to 5. Here 5 is not included, so it will display all the characters from position 0 to 4. Hence the output will be hello. The next print statement, print s sub 2 colon 4, will display the characters from position 2 to 4. Here 4 is not included, so it will display the characters from position 2 to 3. Hence the output will be LL. The following print statement, print s sub minus 4 colon minus 1, will display the characters from position minus 4 to minus 1. Here minus 1 is not included, so it will display the characters from position minus 4 to minus 2. Hence the output will be ELL. The last print statement, print s sub minus 5 colon 5, will display the characters from position minus 5 to 5. Here 5 is not included, so it will display the characters from position minus 5 to 4. Hence the output will be hello. While indexing can be used to get individual characters from a string, slicing can be used to get a substring. Slicing can be done by specifying the start index and the end index separated by a colon. By default, an omitted start index is set to 0 and an omitted end index is set to the length of the string being sliced. Example. In this example, string hello is assigned to the variable s. The first print statement, print s sub colon 3, will display the characters from position 0 to 3. Here the omitted start index is set to 0 and the end index 3 is not included. So it will display the characters from position 0 to 2. Hence the output will be HEL. Similarly, the second print statement, print s sub 2 colon, will display all the characters from position 2 to 5. Here the omitted end index is set to the length of the string, that is 5. Since 5 is not included, it will display all the characters from position 2 to 4. Hence the output will be LLO. The next print statement, print s sub minus 2 colon, will display the characters from position minus 2 to 5. Here the end index is set to the length of the string, that is 5. Since 5 is not included, it will display all the characters from position minus 2 to 4. Hence the output will be LO. The last print statement, print s sub colon, will display the characters from position 0 to 5. Since both the indexes are omitted, here the start index is set to 0 and the end index is set to the length of the string, that is 5. Since 5 is not included, it will display all the characters from position 0 to 4, that is from the beginning to the end. Hence the output will be hello. By default, an omitted start index is set to 0 and an omitted end index is set to the length of the string being sliced. Indexing error. Python will return an index error message if you use an index that exceeds the index value in your string. Example. In this example, valid indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. But we have used 5, which exceeds the index value of the string. So Python will return an index error message that string index out of range. Similarly, if we use -6, Python will return an index error message that string index out of range, because here valid negative indexes are -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. Type error. Indexes can be only integer values. Float data types will cause a type error. Example. This example will cause a type error. Indices can be only integer values, not float, string or non-data types. But here we have used a float value 1.2. So Python will return an type error message that string indices must be integers. Python will not return any error message if we use boolean values true or false, because the numeric value of true is 1 and false is 0. So by using boolean values we can access the first and second characters in a string. Length of a string. In Python we can find out the length of a string by using the built-in function len. Example. In this example, a string hello is assigned to the variable s. The print statement println s will display the length of the string, which is 5, because the string hello consists of 5 characters. So we can find out the length of a string by using the built-in function len. No character data type. In Python there is no separate character data type. A character is simply a string of length 1. Example. In this example, a single character h is assigned to the variable s. We can get the data type of an object by using the built-in function type. So the print statement print type s will display the data type of the variable s. Here it is str. In Python, the string data type is represented by the str class. In Python, there is no separate character data type like in other languages such as C, C++ or Java. In Python, a character is simply a string of length 1. You can watch our tutorial video Literals in Python to learn more about strings like raw strings, multi-line strings, how to use single and double quotes within a strings, use of triple quotes, etc. The video link is given in the description box. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Previous video was Boolean data type in Python. Next video is list data type in Python. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Thank you.